Okay, guys, just hopping on real quick to show you what it looks like. Yummy, yummy. Look how pretty and brown. You want it pretty and brown. And guys, this is a moist cobbler. Now, this is not one of the dry ones. I did not put cinnamon in it. I didn't put vanilla in it. We don't do that. If you want that, then do it. This is more of a, I want to say a fresh. I don't know. But we don't put those things in it. It ain't like I forgot them. We just don't put them in it. Okay, let's get into it. Oh my goodness. Look at that. All the cheesecake kind of melted into it. I see a little bit of cheesecake right there. No, that's this bread in though, guys, because it mixes with that butter that seeps up. Oh, it's so good. We'll try to get a little bit. It's still real hot. That's delicious. I'm going to show you that bread. Now, if yours comes out and it's not looking cooked like that, then you didn't leave it in long enough. It needs to be looking just like kind of cooked bread, but moist. See? It's so good, guys. I'm not going to try to eat any more of this hot, but I just wanted to show y'all, get it this brown. Now, when we make the peach cobbler or different kind of cobblers, it may look a little different on top because especially with the peach, the bread kind of gets down in there around the peaches and some of the peaches come up. See, like on this end where it looking, you can see a little bit of the blackberry through there. That's how a peach cobbler does. But this is good, guys. I'll try you a blackberry cheesecake cobbler. Blackberry cheesecake cobbler. Very good. All right, I love you. And if any of y'all missed it, y'all got to go watch Mo. She wanted to cook on her own. So I pulled her together just a few little items that she could mix together. And it tasted pretty good, guys. Pretty good. All right. Love you guys. Bye.